Hello. In this video, I'm going to talk about cargo check. So in these short videos, I try to um, talk with you about a Rust tips or trick or something internal about Rust or a Rust crate that I think it's fun for you to know about as well. So let's go. In this video, I'm going to talk about cargo check. Cargo check is a command in cargo. So if you already used Rust, you probably used cargo build, or you probably used cargo run, or cargo test, or even cargo install. But what is check? So check means that, okay, have my project, okay, try to do the first steps of compilations, huh? So check for type errors, check for things to be defined, check for all types, satisfy all traits they need to satisfy, all of these stuff, and tell about all errors happened in the way to you, like other steps like build, but do not try to compile this into an object file. So this basically ends really faster, especially in terms of large projects, because compiling into native binary, especially using LLVM, um, is a really long thing to do, really hard thing to do because LLVM does so many stuff, and basically with check you're just basically ignoring that step. You are not trying to generate machine code, which basically makes this command really good for checking your errors and getting feedbacks. And also, actually, I think most of the plugins for most IDEs use cargo check by default for getting feedback from the compiler to find errors. So that's it. If you so basically always just use cargo check, and we did wrong. Use cargo check. It's much faster than build. So if you like this content, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. And you can always contact me on various places. Thank you, and until the next video, goodbye.